Hi guys. Um, so I'm gonna solve this problem, and let's see. On the test, remember I said I'm not gonna tell you each step of how to solve, or not each step, but I'm not gonna tell you what kind of method is involved in it or what you have to do. Not like long division and synthetic division. Well, I'll exactly tell you you need to do this by long division, you need to do this by synthetic division. And so for this particular problem, well, there's four terms. There's four terms in it. And so what you can do is you can group these two together and you can group these two together. And then you have a 3 and a 12. I'm going to take out 3 and an x to the second. So that's an x plus 4. Over here, there's nothing to take out. There's no GCF amongst them. What you need to do is take out a 1. You need to take something out. Okay. And so we have an x plus 4 in common now. And so we have a 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. I'm going to split this up, and x plus 4 equals 0. 3x squared plus 1 equals 0. And you get x equals negative 4. And over here we have, how do you solve this? The easiest way. You can use the quadratic formula, but just subtract 1, divide by 3, and x squared equals negative 1/3. I'm going to square root both sides, so I get x equals plus or minus. We have a negative 1, so that's an I. And then a square root of 1 is 1, okay? And then we have to keep the square root of 3. If you use the quadratic formula, or if you rationalize this, which we're going to learn in the next unit, then you have plus or minus I to the square root of 3 times square root of 3. You can't have a radical in the denominator, so it's a plus or minus I to the square root of 3 over 3, which is the same answer as this. Okay, let's see. If you use the quadratic formula, you would get this answer right here. Okay, if you just simply solving for x, you have this answer, but they're the same thing. Okay, and good job, guys.